Have you ever walked into a room and felt like the plants were staring you down? These aren't your average houseplants. Some of them grow taller than you, some even taller than your ceiling. And a few, well, they might just take over the room. In this video, we're revealing 10 extra large houseplants you must grow. But be warned, once you bring them home, there's no going back. Number 1. Fiddle Leaf Fig. The moment you see a Fiddle Leaf Fig, you know it's not here to play small. With bold, oversized leaves and a dramatic vertical presence, it instantly becomes the centerpiece of any room. Just give it bright indirect light and watch it transform your space into a lush indoor forest. Number 2. Swiss cheese plant. Monsteras, often called the Swiss cheese plant, are leafy climbers that love to go big. With their huge perforated leaves and wild vining habit, they don't just grow, they take over. Let them trail over shelves or climb staircases and you'll feel like you're living in a jungle. Number 3. Bird of paradise. If you're dreaming of a tropical escape, Bird of paradise is your ticket. With banana-like leaves that fan out gracefully and flowers that look like they belong in a rainforest painting, it brings exotic vibes and instant drama to any corner. Number 4. Rubber plant. Don't be fooled by its clean look. Rubber plants grow huge. Their glossy dark leaves look sleek and modern, but their growth is all about size and scale. With minimal fuss, they can shoot up several feet, adding height without chaos. Number 5. Dragon tree. Looking for something with an edge? Dragon tree delivers. Its spiky upright leaves and cane-like trunks make it a sculptural statement piece. Place it in a bright spot and this slow but steady grower will surprise you with its towering form over time. Number 6. Elephant ear plant. This one is not for the timid. Elephant ear plants flaunt some of the largest leaves in the houseplant world. Broad, bold, and unapologetically giant. They dominate the space with their prehistoric charm, demanding attention wherever they're placed. Number 7. Norfolk Island pine. At first glance, it looks like a mini Christmas tree, but Norfolk Island pine has big ambitions. While not a true pine, its soft needles and symmetrical layers give it a classic tree-like presence, perfect for those who want indoor grandeur without the bulk. Number 8. Tree philodendron. The name says it all. Tree philodendron isn't just a plant, it's an experience. Its deeply lobed leaves stretch wide and far, creating a tropical canopy effect indoors. Give it room to grow and you'll feel like you've stepped into a rainforest every time you pass by. Number 9. Dwarf umbrella tree. Don't believe everything the name tells you. The dwarf umbrella tree might sound small, but it can grow sky high if left unpruned. Its umbrella-like leaf clusters climb steadily, and if you're not careful, it'll be reaching the ceiling before you even notice. Number 10. Song of India. Stylish and upright, the Song of India is perfect for homes with high ceilings and limited floor space. Its striped foliage climbs elegantly without spreading too wide, making it a sleek choice for modern homes. Train it early and you'll have a living sculpture. Ready to go big with your indoor jungle? These giants don't just grow, they own the room. If you love this list and want more bold ideas for your green space, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a leaf turning update.